In this video, I'm showing you what I pack for a summer vacation capsule wardrobe and how I create outfits that look chic, feel comfortable, and work for different parts of a trip, from sightseeing and beach days to upscale dinners and evening events. I choose the pieces that mix and match easily, feel appropriate for different occasions, and give me enough variety so every outfit looks intentional. For this summer vacation capsule wardrobe, I'm packing 5 tops, 5 bottoms, 2 dresses, 2 pair of shoes, 2 bags, and 1 hat. With these pieces, I can create outfits for walking around town, visiting the beach, going to lunch, enjoying dinner, or attending an evening event. As I show each item, I also want to share a few simple rules I usually follow when deciding what to pack. My goal is to give you a simple formula you can use for your own vacation wardrobe. Let's start with the tops. The first top is a white crew neck sleeveless top. The neckline has a scalloped trim, which gives this simple piece a little more detail and interest. Because it is white and sleeveless, it feels fresh, clean, and easy to style for summer. It can pair with every bottom in the capsule wardrobe, from relaxed pants to skirts, and it works well for sightseeing, lunch, or a casual daytime outfit. The second top is a decorated scoop neck tank top in gray. This gives the wardrobe a softer and slightly more detailed option. The scoop neckline adds variety, and the decoration makes it feel a little bit more special than a basic tank. The gray color also very versatile, so it works nicely with both lighter and darker bottoms. The third top is a blush pink short sleeve top. This piece adds a soft, feminine color to the capsule wardrobe. It is simple and comfortable, but the blush tone makes the outfit feel more delicate and romantic. It is perfect for a relaxed daytime look, but it can also be dressed up with a skirt or more polished accessories. The fourth top is a white cowl neck halter top. This is one of the dressier pieces in the capsule. The white color keeps it fresh and summery, while the cowl neckline and halter shape make it perfect for dinner, evening events, or a more polished vacation look. It is the kind of top that can instantly make a simple skirt or pair of pants feel more elevated. The fifth top is a vibrant fuchsia cami top. This adds a beautiful purple color to the wardrobe and gives the capsule a more romantic evening-ready option. The cami shape feels light and summery, while the vibrant fuchsia shade makes it feel chic and sophisticated. It can work beautifully with neutral bottoms during the day, and it can easily transition into a dinner outfit at night. Now let's move to the bottoms. The first bottom is a pair of relaxed white leg pants in white and navy checks. These are comfortable but still stylish, which makes them perfect for travel days, sightseeing, or casual lunches. The check pattern adds visual interest, and because most of the top in this capsule are solid, these pants can pair with almost everything without looking too busy. The second bottom is a satin black midi skirt. This is one of the most versatile pieces in the capsule because it can easily go from day to night. During the day, I can wear it with a simple sleeveless top or short sleeve top for a relaxed but polished look. At night, I can pair it with a white cowl neck halter top or the fuchsia cami top for a more elegant dinner outfit. The third bottom is a white A-line midi skirt. This piece gives the capsule a fresh, feminine summer option. It works beautifully for sightseeing, lunch, shopping, or a casual dinner. Because it is wide, it pairs easily with every top and keeps the outfits feeling light, clean, and summery. The fourth bottom is a pair of jeans. Jeans are always practical on vacation because they are comfortable, easy to style, and useful for cooler evenings or more casual days. They help balance the dressier skirts and make the capsule feel more relaxed and wearable. I can pair them with a simple tank top for daytime or dress them up with the white cowl neck halter top for dinner. The fifth bottom is a black pleated skirt. This piece adds movement, texture, and a slightly dressier feeling to the wardrobe. The pleats make the outfit look more interesting, while the black color keeps it easy to match. It can work with a casual top during the day, but it can also become a polished evening look with dressier shoes and a more elevated top. Now let's talk about the dresses. The first dress is a fitted green dress. I love packing a dress like this for vacation because it works just as well for strolling around town during the day as it does for dinner in the evening. It also adds another vibrant pop of color to the wardrobe. The second dress is a white dress with blue floral prints. This is the perfect dress for walking along the beach or exploring a coastal town. The white and blue color combination feels fresh, romantic, and summery. For shoes, I keep it simple and then bring only 2 pairs. One pair should be comfortable enough for walking, sightseeing, and travel days. The second pair should feel more polished for dinners and evening events. This keeps the suitcase lighter, but still gives every outfit the right finish. For bags, I also bring 2. One casual bag works for daytime, walking around, and carrying essentials. The second bag is more polished and works for dinner or evening events. Just like shoes, bags can change the whole mood of an outfit. Finally, I bring one hat. A hat is practical for sun protection, but it also completes summer outfits beautifully. It makes simple looks feel more styled and gives the wardrobe that relaxed vacation feeling. With those 12 pieces of clothing and accessories, I will be able to create 27 outfits that work for multiple vacation activities. The goal is not to pack the most clothing, but to pack the right clothing. Here are a few simple rules I usually follow when choosing what to pack. First, every top should match every bottom. This is the most important rule. If each top only works with one specific bottom, you end up with separate outfits instead of a true capsule wardrobe. But when every top compares with every bottom, you suddenly have many more outfit options with fewer pieces. Second, I like to keep patterns in one category. For example, if I choose checks, stripes, or prints for my bottoms, I usually keep the tops more solid and simple. Or if I choose printed tops, I keep the bottom neutral. This makes mixing and matching much easier and prevents the outfits from looking too busy. Third, within each category, I try to maximize variety. That means choosing different necklines, lenses, colors, textures, and styles. For tops, I may pack a crew neck, a scoop neck, a short sleeve, a hater top, and a cami top. Even if the pieces are simple, those small differences help each outfit feel fresh. Fourth, I bring 2 different styles of accessories. Usually I like one casual option and one more polished option. This makes it easy to change the mood of an outfit without changing the entire look. Accessories can make a simple daytime outfit feel more elevated for dinner. This is how I create a suitcase that feels chic, comfortable, and effortless for the whole trip. I hope this helps you create your own customized vacation capsule wardrobe for your next trip. A good capsule wardrobe gives you variety, but it also gives you freedom. You spend less time thinking about what to wear and more time enjoying the trip. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video.